Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video, and as the title says, I'll be going through my Boxycharm for the month of February. So if you're interested in it, just keep on watching. So the theme for February was Afterglow, and as usual we get a little pamphlet with the list of items we get in the box. Just in case you don't know what Boxycharm is and this is your first time watching a video with me mentioning Boxycharm, I will leave in my iCard section my first video. It basically tells you what Boxycharm is, my experience shipping in Jamaica or shipping the box to Jamaica and all of that jazz. So if you want more details, you can just check my iCards, and I'll just jump into what I got for the month of February. 5 products came in this box. The first one is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. And if you have been around on YouTube for a while, you know that everybody and their mama raves about this mascara, so I'm looking forward to using it. And the cost for this is $24. I paid $21 for this box. That's the cost monthly, and the products tend to come up to more than 100 US or 110. This is how the one looks. The next item is the Pretty Vulgar Bronzed V Bronzer, and Pretty Vulgar has some really nice packaging. Like, hello, this packaging is so beautiful, and this is the bronzer that comes in it. I don't think this shade is for me, so I might have to find one of my friends to give it to, because yeah, this not going to work for my skin tone. But this is $32. The next item is the Touch It Sol No Problem. It's really no problem, but they spell it poor as in poor because it's a primer, so it's like play on words. Yeah. So it's no problem primer, the Touching Sol, and it's full size, guys. Full size bottles, full size items in the Boxycharm. So I'm looking forward to using this primer. I remember when I was rocking with Ipsy, I got a sample size, and this primer is really good. So I am glad I have this full size bottle. And I mean, primers, everybody loves primers. Like, hello, it's a primer. So yeah, and it's really good. Like, personally, I've used it and it is really good. The cost for that is $18. The next item is the Sol de Janeiro. I cannot speak. Sol de Janeiro. Whatever. It is a Copacabana cream, and it looks like this. I remember we got the Bum Bum cream like a couple months ago, but this is like a body butter, and it smells so good. It's kind of cocoa butter and the Bum Bum cream mixed together and had a baby, and this is the baby. And the packaging is really cute too. It is small enough to drop in your purse or your handbag, or it can be kept on your work desk. It's really cute and it smells really good, and trust me, the moisture stays all day. It's not one of those lotions or body butters that you have to reapply. You have to, reapply your hand dry out or anything like that. So thanks, Boxycharm. The fifth and final item is the Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color, and this is in the shade Copper. Let me show you the color. That is so pretty. This is so pretty. Yes, I mean, if you're in a rush but you still want this eyeshadow, you can just simply rub that over your eyes. You can use it as a eyeliner or a little pop of color, and you're good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. These are the items I got in my Boxycharm box, and if you're interested in subscribing to your own box, I will leave the link in the description box below. You can always head over to Boxycharm, and you don't have to do an ongoing subscription. You can do it for a month and then cancel it. It's up to you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and this eye look, the tutorial for this eye look will be up next week Wednesday, so you can look out for that video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload new videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.